So a few weeks ago I made a video about Amazon Prime Gaming, and basically that if you have an Amazon Prime subscription you should totally make good use of it and get all the games that you can, because every month it's not really on a monthly schedule like other, for example, Home Bundle is, but every while again they switch out new games, get rid of old games. And basically, because most of it is either through keys, which you can redeem on platforms such as GOG, I think maybe even Steam has been used in the past, I'm not exactly sure, Epic Games, as well as some weird classic games platform, as well as the actual Prime Gaming application, which you still have to keep those even after your subscription has expired, and continue to download them as long as you did claim them within the correct time window. You can see there's a few new games here, some of them seem decent, a few of them are just old games. But basically, the point of this video is that recently, since then, there's been a few changes made. For example, the Amazon Gaming banning has all been retired, and now it is just Amazon Luna. So if you don't know, Amazon Luna was the cloud streaming platform where you could basically play games, stream them to a not very powerful device, just to like a laptop, whatever, and you could play the game and it would be hosted on a cloud computer that would have access to actual resources. And it was basically a monthly subscription for that. As you can see, I'm not sure whether Amazon Luna is even around anymore, like as in the original Amazon Luna, but it does seem like that is just sort of the name that Amazon Gaming's gone through now. I don't see anything else. They've got Claim Games, which here, if I even click on Home, it's just the only option here. If I just get rid of that, and it just redirects you here, so it looks like that is the only option for Amazon Luna now. It's just Claim Games that were previously a part of Amazon Gaming. It looks like both of those brands, the original Amazon Luna and Amazon Gaming, has been retired, and they're just using the Amazon Luna brand for what used to be their Amazon Prime Gaming. So hopefully they don't end up getting rid of this as well. But we'll leave this video here. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts, and if you subscribe so you can see videos like this in the future.